korakora queen.
It's okay.
Kuri baba queen birirwa bayambira udusore twose. Aba queen babarimo. Queen abaruye utikoraho. Yeah. Anyambaga. Abantu bose baragushimira baranibuka ibyo wakoreye OFW. Hano muri Maridivino Viano Ponte. Uratangaje.
Love. I do it to redeem myself from all the embarrassing things I did.
Ntabwo nabikoze kugira ngo nicuze wenda ibyaha n'igisebo nagize.
You wanted the voice of the OFW.
Nabikoze kuko rwose
Because I know the hardships.
Numvaga bari abantu bari mu bibazo. Kuko ibibazo barimo nanjye nabinyuzemo. Neza utangiye kukivuga nka first lady wa nyawe. My love.
You are so kind.
Uri umuntu mwiza. Umugabo.
That's what sets you apart from all the previous first ladies.
Ibyo nibyo gutandukanya n'abandi ba first lady bose babanje. Ufite umutima mwiza.
Come on.
Yeah.
It's only me. There's no need to flatter me.
Umva nta mpamvu yo kunakageza cyane nawe ariko.
Mr. President.
Bakira waruwaje.
First lady.
Yes, Senator. What can I do for you?
Senateri ya Jean Regla.
To bother your sweet.
Mumbare kubabangamira mu kanya keza kanyu.
I would like to say goodbye.
Nari nje kubasezera.